Finally, we are on a road to neutralize the COVID 19 or the coronavirus. And that is through the vaccination. The vaccination started in Saudi Arabia on 17th of December, and just 2 days back, it has started its third vaccination center that is located in Tehran. To be exact, at the Tehran Exhibition Center. Well, I'm going to guide you through all the process and make sure that just in case if you're coming over there, it will be much easier for you to go through it. Moreover, just let me take you to the background of it. The vaccination started with the Minister of Health taking the first shot of it. Now, as you know, that when the leaders come forward, the people gather around them. Similarly, the Crown Prince, His Highness Prince Mohammed bin Salman, he also took the vaccination. And most probably, that could be the reason that currently there are more than 700,000 people who have registered for the vaccination. Now, how to register for the vaccination? That is the question number one. And the answer is extremely simple. Go to your app store and download the Sehati app. Log in yourself, go to the appointment for the vaccination, and get yourself registered with few easy questions. You will be getting an SMS on your mobile once it has been scheduled. The date for the first and second dose, as well as the time, will be mentioned over there. Keep that message along with you and make sure that you attend it at the right time, at the right date as well. The Dammam Vaccination Center started a couple of days back. It started on 28th of December 2020. The first dose was taken by His Highness Governor of Eastern Province Prince Saud bin Naif, whereas His Highness Deputy Governor Eastern Province Prince Ahmed bin Fahad, he was also vaccinated. Just Google Tehran Expo Center and you will be there. You will be entering through the third parking gate, which will be coming onto your right hand side. Once you enter, you can park your car over there and go towards the entry. You're gonna see the signboards like these for your guidance and support. There will be volunteer over here who will be checking your appointment. The wheelchairs are also being provided on the way. So you have to just follow the cones, just follow the paths, and you will be entering the exhibition center or the vaccination center very soon. Here again, the volunteer is going to check your appointment and he will be taking you over inside the vaccination center. Once you enter the vaccination center, the volunteers will be testing your temperature. Once the testing for the temperature is done, you'll be taken to one of the counters where the volunteers are there to check your appointment as well as your ID. You'll be given a chat in which your number will be mentioned over there. Once your turn will come, your number gonna displayed on one of the screens over there. By the time, you may get yourself relaxed, have a drink of water or juice. Once the number has been displayed, a volunteer will be taking you towards the clinic which has been assigned to you. There are numerous clinics with individual numberings, which have a complete setup, doctors, nurses, staff, and they have all the equipment which has been required. Once the vaccination is done, you will be asked to sit for another 10 to 15 minutes and get yourself relaxed once again. Once it has been over, you may go outside, get a letter of thanks for the vaccination, and then you'll be moving towards the parking area once again. Ladies and gentlemen, this is how the vaccination process will go through. Let us pray that the year 2021 brings a lot of happiness and health, not only in our lives, but also across the world. Take care, maintain social distance.